Hello my dear students, I am very sure you might have completed the work. Now let us solve the rest of the 4 questions of this exercise. First of all, let us see the 7th C part of question number 6. In this question, a pentagon is given and one interior and 2 exterior angles are given, and we will have to find the value of x. Okay, so let us see how we are going to do it. So in wheresoever the exterior angles are given, we have assumed the interior angles. One of the interior angle I have assumed as A, other interior angle I have assumed as B. Okay, so A plus 70 is equals to 180 degree because these are linear pair angles, and hence I got the value of A as 110. Similarly, B plus 60 is equals to 180. These are also linear pairs, so I got the value of B as 120 degree. Now since it is a pentagon, so the angle sum, how we can calculate the angle sum? The formula is n minus 2 into 180. And say how many sides are there in pentagon? 5. So 5 minus 2 into 180, 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 into 180 is 540. So the sum of all the interior angles of this pentagon will be 540. One of the angle is 30, other is x, third is A, fourth is B, and fifth is x, and the sum of all of them is 540. So I have made a sum of all them, and 540 is the sum. Now in place of A I have substituted 110, in place of B I have substituted 120, and x will be added to 2x. Now all the variables have been added, all the constant will also be added. तो 110, 120 and 30 को ऐड करने पर हमें मिला 260. So 2x plus 260 is equals to 540, and thereafter 2x is equals to 540 minus 260, that is 280, and hence the value of x is 140 degree. I am sure you could have understood. It is quite an important question. Many times it have appeared in the exams. Now the last part of question number 6. Here you can see that only one angle is written as x, but there is a mark on all the lines which symbolizes that it is having all its sides equal. It means it is a regular pentagon. It means it is a regular pentagon. Okay. Now since it is a regular pentagon, so all its angles will also be equal. So if one of the angle is x, all the other angle will also be x, and the angle sum we can calculate still by the same formula, n minus 2 into 180. You can do it separately or you can do it here simultaneously. एक साथ भी कर सकते हैं और अलग से पहले भी निकाल सकते हैं. So x 5 times, so it become 5x, and 5 minus 2 into 180, that is 3 into 180. 5x is equals to 540, and hence x is equals to 108. So this way we got the angle as 108. Now look for question number 7. In question number 7 you can see that two of the interior angles are given, and he is asking the value of exterior angles, sum of exterior angles. So let us see how we will do. Here we are having question number first part of 7th. So what I did, that x and 90 we have just done in previous question, first part of 6, that these are linear pair. So I got the value of x as 90 degree. Similarly, you can see z and 30 are also linear pair. So I got the value of z plus 30 is equals to 180. I got z as 150. Now you see that this y is the exterior angle of 90 and 30. So I have calculated the value of y by the exterior angle property. This you have studied in class 7th. Remember? Yes. So y is equals to 90 plus 30 exterior angle. So y is equals to 120 degree. I got the value of x, y, z. But The question is to find the value of x plus y plus z. So I have added 90, 120 and 150, which is giving the answer as 360 degree. Hence, the sum of exterior angle of a triangle is 360 degree. Now same way, this time it is a quadrilateral is given, and in quadrilateral 3 angles are given, and he is asking the sum of all the 4 exterior angles. Okay, let us see how we are going to do. The same linear pair is going to help us, but as we know that the angle sum of a quadrilateral, we have assumed this fourth angle which is not given as A. So first of all we are going to find this A, and thereafter we will find rest of the angle by linear pair. So angle sum of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. One of the angle is 60, other is 80, third is 120, and fourth one is A. So the sum of all the 4 is 360, and I got the value of A as 100 degree. Thereafter I have calculated the value of W. A plus W is 180. So A plus W is equals to 180 degree, and I got the value of W as 80 degree. Similarly, X plus 120 is equals to 180. By the same property, linear pair, I got the value of X as 60 degree. Similarly, I got the value of Y. Similarly, I got the value of Z. But my question is to find the value of X plus Y plus Z plus W. So once again I have added them all, and I found that this time also it is 360 degree. Okay, so what I conclude, that the angle sum of exterior angle of all the polygons is 360 degree. Hence, this way our first exercise for chapter number 3 is over. Complete this work and get ready for the test of statement sum of chapter 2. So on Monday I am going to upload a test for all of you, and this time I am going to take the test with the help of Google, so you will come to know your marks on your own. Okay, and thereafter I will send a combined report of all of you. I will tell you the time of the test on Monday only. Chaliye, let us meet on Monday. Good day, take care.